take your practice to the next level with our Boho Beautiful official app, your #1 stop for an entire exclusive library of yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and so much more. Download it today in the App Store. Welcome to your 10-minute full body Pilates burn. In this short but effective workout, we will target and tone every major part of your body to leave you feeling strong, powerful, and ready to take on the day. No equipment will be necessary, just yourself and your mat. Let's begin. Today's video is sponsored and brought to you by Blinkist. Blinkist is one of our favorite apps to use whenever we're on the go, as it takes the best non-fiction books and condenses them into 15 minutes of the most valuable and easy, digestible information for you to read or listen to. At the moment, Blinkist has over 5,500 books and podcasts to choose from. Lately, we've been diving deeper into our own personal enlightening book list. That includes A Return to Love by Marianne Williamson, a 13-minute read that reminded me of how much fear hides our inner light, but that when we embrace love, we can connect with who we are truly meant to be. We also enjoyed The Book by Alan Watts and Walden by Henry David Thoreau. Whether you're looking to expand your consciousness or dive deeper into yourself, we would highly recommend these books. Blinkist is an amazing app that we're proud to recommend to anyone that is looking for either a quick 15-minute refresh of their favorite book or to gain some of the most valuable key points from many inspiring authors and books out there. And now with Blinkist Connect, you can even share your Blinkist premium account with a friend at no additional cost. So today we're super excited to offer you a 25% off Blinkist Premium and enjoy 2-year memberships for the price of 1. Simply click the link below in the description of this video and start your 7-day free trial today. With that said, let's get back to our practice. Grab your mat and let's begin. Thank you so much for joining me here today for this short and effective workout. Let us begin by coming over to our backs. Scoot forward to the front of your mat and lay all the way down. Rest your head on the floor. Go ahead and take a deep breath in, and then as you exhale, bring your rib cage in, pull the ribs in, and then come on up to your tabletop position, knees together, feet together. Arms reaching up, starting with a single toe tap, opposite arm extends over your head and then come to center. Other side, center, then double toe tap both arms over your head, back to center. Beautiful. So this is a wonderful little warm up to start to engage our core. Tap and center, double feet, double arms, center. Tap one toe, opposite arm over your head, other side, and both arms and legs. Keep it going. Each time your leg lowers, make sure that your back does not come off the ground. So keep pulling that belly button to the spine. Press that lower back into the mat. Tap, center, tap, center, double tap, back to center. Tap, and tap. Double arms, double legs, back to center. Inhale. Now exhale, reach your arms over your head. And then big circle with the arms as you lift your shoulder blades off the mat. Stay in tabletop. Let's take our 100s. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pump the arms, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to make this more challenging, extend both knees out. Otherwise, keep them in tabletop. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do your best to keep pulling those shoulders off the mat. Pull the belly button right into your spine. We are almost there. Good. Exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it going, my friends. And exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 100. Beautiful. Go ahead and drop your head down. Reach the arms over your head once again. And then reach the arms forward, double leg stretch, extend, and around for 1. Inhale, open, extend your legs and arms, and then circle with the arms forward for 2. Extend, and 3. Reach, and 4. Now, if this is too challenging to include the upper body, you can keep your arms at your side and just work the legs for me. So always able to modify each exercise here. Keep it going. Extend, and reach forward. Extend and reach forward. Well done. Extend and then bring your knees in, and we're going to go into our single-legged stretch. So pull your left knee in, right leg extends. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2. Inhale, 1, 2. Exhale, 3, 4. You got it. Just a little baby pulse as that knee comes in with your breath. So you want to match the movement to your breathing pattern here. Inhale, 1, 2. Exhale, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. So reaching for that knee and ankle each time the knee comes into the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keeping your head down will, of course, make this exercise easier. Bring both knees in and drop it down. Awesome, you guys. All right, come over to your back. Open those knees into your reclined butterfly. And then lift your pelvis up so the soles of your feet are touching. And then you're just gonna lower the hips in butterfly and then lift the hips back up for 1. So it's a different variation on a bridge lift. Lift it up for 2. Good. So you're keeping your weight along the lateral side of your feet. So the pinky toe areas of your feet are pressing into the mat. As you lift your hips up, squeeze your glutes, hold it here. Now reach the arms all the way down. And then just close the knees and open for 1. Close and open for 2. So getting a little deeper into the inner thigh here. Close and open. Close and open. Just make sure you keep those hips lifted above the ground. Keep reaching them up to the sky. Squeeze your glutes. Close and open. Close and open. Hold a little bit higher, a little bit higher. Pulse it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, you guys. Stay here. Lift it up. Reach the arms up. Now come up to the balls of your feet. Lift your heels. Square your knees and your hips together. So now your knees are coming closer together. You just hold. And slowly lower down, vertebrae by vertebrae. Holding both knees into the chest, and then take your rolling like a ball exercise. Roll to the shoulders and up to your seated. Roll shoulders and back to boat for 2. Roll and up. So finding that momentum, but at the same time engaging through your core center to not allow the toes to touch the ground as you come up. So keep holding onto those ankles or the knees to make it a little easier. Roll up. Hold to the shoulders and up. Now let's hold that boat or Navasana. Lift your feet slightly, drop the shoulders away from the ears, hold it here. Reach and extend those arms, engage the core. Deep breath in and exhale, you're done. Awesome. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and come over towards our left or right side, it doesn't matter. Inner arm hugs your body. The other hand presses into the floor as you come up and down. So we push and lower, working into the tricep area. Good. Press and down. Press and down. Come all the way down to the mat and then push into that front hand to lift yourself up and lower, up and lower. The other leg slightly lifts as you come down. You can make this a little bit more fun, engaging other parts of your body at the same time. And up, lift, and up, lift, and up. Good job. Now lift, go ahead and release that inner arm, place it onto the mat, come on up to your knee, other arms extends up to the sky. Now lift and kick that straight leg. And 2, lift, and 3, 4. Remember to keep engaging your core here, so keep your body strong. You can keep your arm on your waist if that's easier, or reaching up to the sky. Kick. Now let's hold, flex your foot, and just pulse it for me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Don't drop it. We're almost done, I promise you. Hold, hold, hold. Reach that arm forward to the front of your mat and relax. Awesome, you guys. Go right into the other side. So let's come on over to the opposite side. Give yourself a big hug with that inner arm. Press the top hand into the mat and let's lift up into our tricep push for 1. Press into the mat and down for 2. Push and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. You got it. 7, 8, 9. Awesome. 10, 11. Good. Keep pushing into that hand. Feel that engagement through the tricep. Almost there. Beautiful. Now let's come on up to our knee. Extend that top arm up or onto your waist and let's kick that straight leg. 1, 2. Engaging that core. Keep pulling that belly button into the spine. Core is strong. You lift and lower the leg. And lower. Kick and lower and lower. Now we're gonna hold, flex your foot and just give me baby pulses up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, you guys. Hold it here. Hold, 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 hold. And then release. Come on over to your child's pose. Sit over to your heels. Reach your arms forward. Give yourself a moment of a big exhale. Well done, my friends. This was a very powerful, very quick, but intense practice for your whole body. Come on up to seated. Let's just finish off with a deep breath as you reach both arms up to the sky. And then exhale. Bring your hands to your heart in gratitude for your wonderful practice today. Thank you so much for joining me in beautiful Barbados. I'll see you in our next practice.
You've got 3-year-olds, kids whose brains you haven't even got theory of mind yet, right? You haven't developed theory of mind, and the kid's crying at the dinner table, so you just give it the phone and put YouTube for Kids on, and it'll shut it up.
And there's no study done yet because we actually haven't been able to understand what is the long-term effects, because it's only recently that these kids are using iPads and iPhones and staring at a screen at a dinner table for 2 hours.
Well, the data is starting to come out in teenagers, this generation. And
that's John Haidt's work, isn't it?
Yeah, and the depression is up, the self-harm is up, all self-esteem issues, like everything is just going like exponentially rising, and it seems to be directly connected to when phones and social media became
2013,
such a thing.
yeah.